Claim, India officially invites BRICS countries to trade in local currency instead of the US dollar. Fact check. The claim is going viral on social media. A viral X post from 19th August 2025 by user India Warzone claimed, breaking, India officially invites BRICS countries to trade in local currency instead of the US dollar, accompanied by an image of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The post garnered significant engagement, including 393 likes. View the post below. Another verified X account, World_Affairs11, amplified this on X. Posted on 18th August 2025, this post gained more than 1 million views and around 43,000 likes. View the post here. Fact check. Truth, this claim is misleading and there has been no official statement by the Indian government. Fact check details. Digit Eye India decided to investigate this claim and discovered that it is misleading. There has been no official announcement from the Ministry of External Affairs, MIA, or Reserve Bank of India, RBI, when we conducted a keyword search with phrases like BRICS countries to trade in local currency and India BRICS trade in local currency. We found that India's MIA has clarified it does not support de-dollarization or a single BRICS currency. Here is the video from MIA India.
Say that we have made our position very clear on this issue earlier as well. De-dollarization is not part of India's financial agenda.
On 14th August 2025, even the Times of India reported that India officially reaffirmed this, focusing instead on local currency trade to de-risk, not undermine the USD. Upon searching further, we learned that BRICS has long discussed de-dollarization, with statements from summits like the 2024 Kazan Declaration encouraging local currency use in transactions. Check point 65 in this report by the MIA here. However, India's position emphasizes risk-mitigating trade mechanisms rather than outright replacement of the US dollar as seen in repeated official statements. Thus the claim is misleading. Claim, India officially invites BRICS countries to trade in local currency instead of the US dollar. Conclusion, this claim is misleading and there has been no official statement by the Indian government. Rating, misleading? The claim is misleading. Thank you for visiting us, digiteye.in. Subscribe to our channel, Digit Eye India.